is no need for concern if you have not yet received your entire luggage. We will have
right. So we're in cabin 535 on D deck, D535, which is deck 11. And as you come in, you've got a full length mirror there, and lots of storage there, and lots of coat hangers, which is great because I brought my own, so it's just typical. In here is the bathroom, so you've got hand towels on the door, bath towels, what's that called, a towel to stand on. Inside here then you've got, I'll come and show you, me. Inside here you have the White Company shampoo and shower gel, which smells really nice. That's the shower, obviously. You've got some storage shelves in here as well, and some storage shelves there. Also some storage under there, and there's our pool towels are kept under there as well. So there you go there, and some hangers on there. Back to the full size mirror. These are the heating and air conditioning controls there. And then you have a bed. Now this is set up as obviously a double, but you can have twin beds as well. This is to put your luggage on when you unpack. Guide to using my holiday, which is the onboard planner that you get on your phone. We already have a Horizon magazine which tells us what's going on. Our captain is Patrick Maguire. Oh, and in there, freedom dining for dinner, which means you can dine anytime. Now that's not what we asked for. We asked for early dining, and they've given us freedom dining, which just probably won't work for us, unfortunately. But we'll something we'll have to sort out with the restaurant. In here then is tea, coffee and sugar, milk, and obviously a kettle there. There's a plug socket there which is British, and a plug socket there which is always on, which is British. In here we have a mini fridge in there, which is not fully stocked, and in here we have a drawer with a hairdryer in. I know this because we stayed on the Britannia in the same room last year, I think it was. And then you've got multiple sockets around you. So there's one under the TV, and there's one there, and yeah, that's it. And then obviously a little table and chair, a little mat, and then that goes on to the balcony then. And we're still in Southampton at the moment. So that's a tour of a balcony cabin, and cabin, and yeah, thanks for watching, and please follow the next vlog for more of P&O cruise on the Britannia. Thank you, bye.